To automate Monday.com board settings. Start by understanding the basics of automation in Monday.com. Automation allows you to streamline repetitive tasks and workflows, making your work more efficient. First, navigate to the board you want to automate and click on the Automate button, usually represented by a robot icon. This will open the Automation Center where you can create new automations. Next, choose the trigger that will initiate the automation. Triggers can be events such as when a new item is added, when a status is changed, or when a deadline is approaching. Then, select the action that you want to automate. Actions can be things like moving an item to a different group, assigning a task to a team member, or sending a notification. After setting the trigger and action, you can add conditions to filter the automation. Conditions help to specify when the automation should run, such as only when a certain column is filled or when an item is in a specific status. To make your automation more powerful, you can also use variables and formulas to customize the action. For example, you can use a formula to automatically set a deadline based on the start date of a task. Best practices for automating Monday.com board settings include keeping your automations simple and focused on one task, testing your automations regularly to ensure they are working as expected, and documenting your automations so that other team members can understand how they work. By following these steps and best practices, you can automate your Monday.com board settings and streamline your workflow, saving time and increasing productivity. Remember to always review and update your automations as your workflow changes to ensure they continue to work effectively. Additionally, consider using Monday.com's built-in templates and examples to help you get started with automation. These templates can provide a starting point for common workflows and can help you learn how to use the automation features. By leveraging automation in Monday.com, you can take your workflow to the next level and achieve greater efficiency and effectiveness in your work.